How to delete Canva account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Canva account permanently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. You can head over to canva.com or your app. After you're on your Canva, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, what you can do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom left, then head over to your settings. On your settings, you will be able to see your profile. Head over to this login option and scroll down. After you scroll down on the login section, tap on delete account. And now all you have to do is read through this uh, everything right here. And all you now need to do is enter the code sent to your Gmail. So let's head over and open up our Gmail. Check for the code. There we go. And this is the code right here. Copy this and paste it right here and then tap on delete account and it should delete your account. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.